Hello, guys. I'm bringing you good news. There is nothing that is good I will not bring to your own attention. So, in this video, I want to show you a website that you can play simple games and make money daily. People are catching out. As you can see, this woman 100,000 naira, and good. The good thing is that you can earn monthly rewards like you are seeing here. This woman in 400,000 naira and other household items. She won a generator and the rest of them. This one won a phone and 1 million naira. And then you can see this other guy here won 100,000 naira plus a phone. And not only that, you can be playing this game and be winning every day and withdraw. So I will take you to my account now and show you how you can register and then also how you can play the games. Let's get started. Okay, the registration is very simple. Just put your phone number, put your password that you remember, then click I have read the agreement, and then uh, click on register. Since I've already registered, I will just go ahead and log in. So this is my own. I will just log in, then I will show you how you can play this game. I will leave the link in the comment section so that you will be able to use the link and register. One good thing is that once you register, you can invite other people or your friends to register with your link, and be they will be getting a bonus, and you also will be getting bonuses. So use the link in the comment section and register. Okay, once you register and log in, what you need to do is to go to your account, which is this place here. So sorry, hold on, let me put. You come to this place here, which is account. Once you click on account, you you make a deposit. Go to deposit, and then type the amount that you want to deposit. You can deposit from 2,000 naira up to 500,000 naira on daily basis. So just deposit any amount that you can afford. Then for example, I want to deposit 5,000 naira. I just type 5,000 naira here, click on deposit. It will take me to this place where you see the account details. Now you can see the account number that you want to transfer to. This is the name of the bank. Then this is the account name. Once you copy this account number, go to your banking app, do the transfer. Once the transfer is successful, you will see the money immediately in your wallet, which is this point here. Then you can as well download their app if you want to play with the app. But I normally play with the web version of it. So once you deposit, you see your balance here. As you can see, my balance here is 76,254 naira, which I just won this morning. And then let me quickly show you how you can play the games. They have different games here, from lottery, slot, sport, then aviator. Those people that know how to play aviator, you can play aviator here and make money. Then you can also play other simple games. You can see people that are winning. This one won 5,000. This one won 4,900. This one won 3,000. This one won 8,000. So many winning. We can see this one won 90,900. Then the one that I normally like to play is this aviator. So once you click on aviator, you see it, then you confirm, then it will take you to aviator. You can play any other game that you know how to play best, so that you be able to win some monies. And then as you can see, you set your amount that you want to stake. Let me just say with 100 naira, then I will now bet, then I'll allow the game to play. You can just catch out. You can see I just cash out and I make some money. And you can see this the aviator. What I like is that you can go higher and higher. Okay, that being said, there are so many games that you can play with this platform. So many games, so many. Some people play mines, some people play limbo, some people play spin to win. You can spin and win some money like this one, like this spin and win here. Just click on it, and then the wheel will start spinning. Then you see your money right in your bank account. Okay, check the link in the comment section and then sign up. You won't regret this. And then you make your money. For example, I can decide to bet 500 naira, or let's just say 300 naira or 200 naira. Then I will spin, as you can see. You can see I just won 400 naira. Another 400 naira again. So that is how you can play this game. There are so many other games that you can play to win money on this platform. So go to the comment section and also the description of this video if you are watching on YouTube, and then register. Once you get register, go ahead, make deposit, and then start playing the games. You can also invite your friends to join via your link. This is where you get your link. Come to this point here, come to promotion. You can see invitation link. Once you copy this link here, you can copy this link here, and then you share it to your friends. Just copy the links, share it to your friends, and then they will register and start playing this game, and then make money for them. And then also you also stand a chance to also make money. Okay, now I want to go ahead and make withdrawals. Let me withdraw my money. So I've already have my OPay here, and then I will just go ahead and okay, at this point let me just make withdrawal. I've transferred the money from my wallet to my main balance, so I can go ahead and withdraw everything, but I will leave let's say 200 naira in the account for to play other games. So just click on withdraw, then I will put my password. I'll put my password, then confirm. As you can see, withdrawal request successful. So in the next let's say 5 minutes, I will get the money in my bank account. You can see my other withdrawals. You can see 3,000 here, you can see 4,000, you can see 3,000 here, you can see another 3,000. So much withdrawals every day I've been withdrawn on this platform. So it's a good platform to play games and make money. So I'll see you guys next time when I have another great opportunity to make money online.